Hello, little Picassos. Today we are drawing SpongeBob and Patrick. But before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings. Let's begin with SpongeBob. First, draw his rectangle face. Now draw his shirt. Then add his tie and pants. Fun fact: SpongeBob lives in a pineapple because it smells nice under the sea. Now draw his big eye and a funny nose. Give him a wide mouth and 2 teeth. Now give him his bug-catching net. He loves jellyfishing with Patrick. Did you know? SpongeBob's laugh is inspired by dolphins. Draw a small circle on him. He is a sponge after all. Great! Now let's draw Patrick. Start with his big round eyes and his cheeky smile. Add his bug net too. I think they're having so much fun catching jellyfish together. Fun fact: Patrick is SpongeBob's best friend forever, and he even lives under a rock right next door. He may be silly, but that's what makes him so lovable. Time to color. Make SpongeBob bright yellow. Give him a red tie and brown pants. Patrick gets a shiny pinkish red shade. He's a starfish after all. Let's color the grass green, so it looks like they're in the grass field. Wow, our SpongeBob and Patrick drawing looks amazing. And remember, SpongeBob is always happy and optimistic, just like us when we're drawing. Great job! See you in the next drawing. Till then, take care and bye-bye.